The cell divides into different stages. These cells contain haploid, which is the sperm cells and the egg cells.
Result of telophase 2. At this stage, the chromatids assemble at the cell poles and the nuclear membrane reforms to cover the nucleus. So nucleus then appears in each cells. So, and the spindle fiber, all the spindle fiber here, they disappear. That means separating this, dividing it into two. So after then, this telophase 2 is the end of the meiotic cell. So at the end, what happens at the end is that 4 haploid cells are formed with the division from the division of the anaphase 2. So 4 haploid cells are formed, having half of the contents of the mother cells.
Example of meiosis. We have the human meiosis. Meiosis occurs in the sex organ of the human, where the male testis produces the sperm and the female ovary produces the egg. Before these gametes are formed, the human DNA must be reduced. We human, we have 23 chromosomes existing in homologous pair between the maternal and the paternal DNA. In total, we human, we have 46 chromosomes each. Before meiosis reproduction, the DNA in the cell must be replicated, and produces 46 chromosomes in 92 sister chromatids. Each pairs looks alike, and each pairs look alike. After meiosis has occurred, the chromatids of the sisters are no longer identical due to the crossing in metaphase 1 of meiosis 1. Finally, meiosis 2 occurs, and the sister chromatids are later shared into individual cells.
Now I am here to say the differences between mitosis and meiosis. Now for mitosis, if you'd see here, there is a very, very short prophase stage due to the fact that there are no homologous chromosomes formed. That is chiasma, because chiasma function has to hold 2 chromosomes, homologous chromosomes together, but chiasma isn't formed, so it has a very, very shorter prophase stage, while meiosis has a longer prophase stage. And in mitosis occurs during the growth of the body's somatic cell. As I am talking right now, there are cells growing in my body and dying, and mitosis is one of the things that allows it to function. But as for meiosis only functions during the production of gametes, that is the reproductive cells, just the formation of the zygotes and so on and so forth, the sharing of chromosomes. Okay. Then there are no bivalent chromosomes formed at the mitosis. But as for meiosis, 2 bivalent chromosomes are formed, and the bivalent chromosomes are arranged at the equator, which are bound together by the spindles at the centrioles. As for mitosis forms 2 diploid cells, that is 2 daughter cells. But when we come to meiosis forms 4 haploid cells, 4 daughter cells. And also, mitosis is, thank you.
After all of this said, we have the cell and importance of cell division. The first importance of cell division is growth. Cell division helps in developing fertilized egg, and it helps an organism to develop very fast. Number 2, we have genetic continuity. Cell division helps in accurate it helps in accurate replicants in genetic materials, like from the mother cell to the daughter cell. Number 3, we have the repair. cell division helps to repair injured and injured cells and dead cells. In conclusion, I think my colleagues have been able to convince you guys on the definition of cell division, the stages in mitosis and meiosis, and the differences between the mitosis and meiosis. Salaam alaikum.